it's Dennis, and I am here with my newest listing here at 16508 Northeast 19th Place in Bellevue. Located in the right in the shadow of Microsoft, and just up from Crossroads. Excellent location, and a fabulous rambler. You're going to see this place has got just a ton of opportunity, and as is always true in real estate, location, 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 this place has got it. So hang in there, I'm going to take you on a quick little tour. So the first thing you'll notice when you come through the door here, I'm standing right near the front entry. To the left is the living room, and I'm going to just swing around here a little bit, and you'll see there's an entry closet directly ahead in the hallway. Straight ahead is the kitchen, and I'll take you there now. So down to the right are the bedrooms. So all the bedrooms are located in that one wing there. So master would be off to the right. Straight ahead is a room that is either a small bedroom or a nice office space. To the left are two other bedrooms. So now I'm going to take you into the kitchen. So a couple of things to know about this home. It has central heating and AC. Summer gets here, it will be comfortable regardless. You've got a great view here, as you can see, looking from the kitchen above the sink out onto the back deck. Got a brand new range, microwave, and oven just installed here in the last couple of months. Haven't even been used yet, in fact. So ready to go. As you can see, you got fantastic view of the low maintenance backyard right here from the kitchen. So you've got a expansive deck, lots of room for entertaining, and as well as some garden space. So spanning around here, that fridge is just a couple of years old, so also in great shape, ready to go. As you'll see, we've got a small kitchen nook here. So we've got breakfast space and then a full dining room adjoining, also overlooking the backyard. Coming back around, I'm going to loop into the living room, and you'll see here that is a gas fireplace. One of the really nice things about this living room, I'll just pan around here. As you can see, there's the entry and that daylight window. We've got a little sitting area looking out onto the front patio. So you've got a really nice space, lots of natural light, kind of unusual in homes of this vintage, and makes for a wonderful entertainment space or just kind of a place to hang out. I think I mentioned already that is a gas fireplace. And now I'll take you into the family room / den. So again, also overlooking with a slider out into the yard and patio. Now this is connected to the laundry area and half bath. So give you a quick look there. So you've all seen bathrooms, but there's another one. So you got a half bath in here, just inside the entrance to the garage, which is always handy. It kind of serves also as a mudroom if you wanted to operate that way. You've also got a side door entry going out to the side yard, so you can access the either the driveway or the backyard through that side door. All right, coming back through, I'm going to take you, retrace my steps a little bit, and take you into, so there again is the entry with the entry closet. And then when I pan around here to the left, going down the hallway, we've got yet another linen closet. To the right is the main bathroom. And then next door down is the master, double entry. Very spacious. Lots of room, of course. This looks out on the front yard. So, master with its own attached double closet and the shower and the shower. So there you go. And that's the master. Swinging to the left, we're going to show you, we've got, so bedrooms 1, 2, and 3, all right here. And that's from standing in the doorway to the master. So, and right next door is the main bathroom. So, this room is currently set up as an office. Also could be a small bedroom or a nursery. Has lots of potential uses. We have right next door a large bedroom. This is actually the largest of the 3. This one also has access to the outside through that side door and facing onto the front yard. So that's bedroom number 2. That's why I've come to refer to it anyway. And this is bedroom number 1. So again, this one's looking out over the back patio and full closet, ready to occupy. Looking back down the hallway again, that's toward the entry. And I'll walk you there now just to keep you oriented. So to the right, again, is the kitchen and the entry closet and the front door. And that concludes the tour. Thanks for coming along. Come pay us a visit in person.